In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Visa Debit gift card on Shein. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to use your Visa Debit gift card on Shein is to add anything that you wish to purchase from the website to your card, and you will be able to determine if you can use your specific Visa Debit gift card. For most Visa gift cards, they will be treated as standard debit cards, meaning that you don't have to do any sort of special workaround. But depending on where you got your gift card from, maybe the bank issuer or the service that issued the Visa gift card, it won't be treated as such. To see if your specific debit gift card can be accepted, all that you have to do, like I said, is to add items to your card. So I'm just going to pretend that I'm browsing through Shein and I'm adding these items to my card. You can add as many items as you want as long as the total cost of the items is within the balance that you have on your Visa Debit gift card. So once you have all the items ready, proceed to checkout and you are going to be able to see if the debit gift card that you have can be used to make this purchase. Under the payment method, it's very important that you select credit/debit card. This is the option that you have to choose in order to pay using the Visa Debit gift card. Place the order, and on the next window, after clicking place order, you are going to be able to input the details about the gift card. So, as you might be aware, the card number, expiration date, and security code. Input them here as if you were paying using any standard debit card, and it is going to tell you whether or not it can be accepted. If it is accepted, the order is going to go through, you will be able to manage it on your account, and this is all you have to do. Alternatively, if it tells you that the card is invalid or that it's not accepted, then there's not much that you can do, unfortunately. It is a limitation with specific Visa Debit gift cards, and if that's the case, then it won't be accepted regardless of what you do. You will have to choose another payment method. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Visa Debit gift card on Shein. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.